Welcome to the JMT.
My people, I greet you now and I welcome you once again to this our news channel. Make una do well to the like and share our video. Now here we dey bring all the ogbonge gist they come your way. This one not be them say this one I see am for yourself. Make you hear am for yourself. On today's news, the deputy governor of Edo State, Mr. Shaibu, don't come outside to voice out unto the campaign where you don't start to do for the upcoming governorship election for Edo State next year. He don't talk say he don't pay for billboard where they put the advert, the pictures as he want come out as governor, but people will go there, go the remove am. He don't come out to talk say make nobody test a patient because he make payment for all this thing and he don't the plan they come since. I want play on the video make una hear wetin this man get to talk concerning all these things where they happen as the campaign. Make una watch this video reach the end.
Planning is everything. If you have made up your mind to do something, you must see the end from the beginning. If you are not seeing the end from the beginning, there's no need to venture into it. And that is why planning is the most important thing you do. I've already planned my election. And since June, I've secured all these gantries. And I've paid, and I have already signed document, agreement, MOU, we signed to have these billboards secured for me. And I paid full. I didn't pay part, I paid full. Now election has come. It's now they want to start looking for billboards. They've gone around now, they can't find billboards because I've secured them. And we are doing, I said, only own board can rule us. Nobody can impose somebody to us. Now you can see, I am the deputy governor of Edo State. By your power, by the grace of God, you voted for me to be deputy governor. Now, I have gone round. You also say I should contest for governor. So if I must contest for governor, they have the right to also contest. Let the people of Edo State decide. Abi, you saw my pictures here. I put my billboard here. 2 days after, they told me that they have been asked to remove it. They actually came and they removed it. And you can see, this morning now, see what they have put there. Not only this one, they also removed another one on the other side. For me, I am not ready to fight any fight. Anybody that want to fight, let's go into the pool now. Let Edo people decide. Abi, if Edo people say they want to vote for their person, you vote for them. If Edo people say they prefer me, they vote for me. Why trying to intimidate me? I am ready to contest this election, to take our government back to our people. And that is what I am going to do. By the grace of God, with your support, don't be intimidated. Should they have removed this, we'll put it back. If they remove it, we'll put it back. But it will get to a time when we put it, we will all gather ourselves to secure it. We will do everything within our power, legally, to secure our billboard. But they should not provoke us. I have paid. When you do like this, you are driving private sector from the state. He invested his money for him to make money. When you now intimidate him, what are you sending? Which message are we sending to the general public? That you cannot invest in Edo, your investment is not safe in Edo.
DJ